Now we are ready to form the basket. What you have to do is look at one of the sides of your square and do something like I'm gonna do now. You need to find the central 3 double crochets of your side. How do I do that? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, these are the 3 central ones. I need them. So I have to count that. I will find the 3 central double crochets after I make 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4, I need to stop and do something. Okay? So just memorize that. After 4, I stop. If you have another number, also count that. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6, and you get the 3 middle double crochets. Now, what I continue to do, I continue to increase in the corners and decrease in the center so that my basket starts to grow like that. Okay? So let's see how it happens. Now, I do the same movements as I did before. Slightly into the back, single crochet, chain 2, one more single crochet, two, find the place where to insert my hook to do 1, like that, one, and now be careful and start counting. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, we need 4 before those 3 central ones. I stop, and here I have to decrease so that the basket starts to appear. Now, what do? Well, actually, I wanted to stop here and tell you that if you continue making this granny square bigger, okay, bigger, maybe like that, and do just the same steps as I'm doing now, just the same steps, you will end up having a bag. Of course, if you have more yarn, you can end up having a bag. If you have thinner yarn, it's even easier for you. You make a square, which could be 25 by 25 centimeters or 30 by 30, and then just follow the same steps as I'm gonna do, and you will get a bag. You just will need 2 handles for the bag, and that's it. Cool, huh? Now, we've got the 3 central double crochets, and what do? I make 1, and I don't finish the double crochet. I make 2, and I don't finish, and I make 3, but I don't finish. Now look what I have on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I join all of them like that, like that. Then I continue with 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. I'm done here. Look, this will be the place where it decreases, and I do the same thing into the corner. 2, 2, 2, 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 more double crochets. That's it. The same story is at this part. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again I have 3 central double crochets. So I continue with the same thing. Now I make 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here I need to decrease again. Remember how? Right. 1, and I don't finish the double crochet. 2, and again I don't finish the double crochet. And 3, and I also don't finish it. Having 1, 2, 3, 4 on my hook, I join all of them. Like that. All right, then I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 again, increasing into the arch, 3 central ones, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, and I meet you at the end of this row right here. Now this row is almost over. I'm at the last arch and I need to increase again, making it 1 and 2, and of course I need to chain 2 and to join my row into the second chain like that. Here we are. Let's see what we got. Now, as you can see, the basket is starting to grow. Woohoo! Looks like a flower. Look, but it's just the first row. Don't forget about that. Now we need to make our walls grow, right? So this is how it looks right now. Like that.